In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create DHCP server on Cisco router. Alright, so in my last video, I added an IP address to the Cisco router. So we have 4 computers, 1 switch and 1 router. And we assigned IPs to all of these computers. So I'm gonna go first of all go back to this and all of the computers, and I'm gonna set IP from static to DHCP. Okay, now let's jump to the router CLI, and so we are already in the interface fast Ethernet 0/1, but let me start from the scratch. So let's consider this one as a new router. So we're gonna go to enable config T and then interface fast Ethernet 0/1, and then we already assigned the IP address, which was 192.168.1.1. So I'm gonna create the IP pool first, and I'm gonna give it a name and set the IP range. So it's gonna be IP DHCP pool, and the pool name will be I'm gonna say Zonic Solutions, and I'm gonna assign a whole network. So I will type the command network. It's gonna be 192.168.1.0 and the subnet mask, enter, and it's the default default router IP address, which is the LAN interface IP, and then the DNS server, which is going to be the same one, 1.1. Alright, so our DHCP server is configured. Let's do exit, and let's go back to this PC. Sorry, what's that? IP configuration. So you can see it's getting the IP address from DHCP, that is 192.168.1.9, and the PC3 1.7, and this one 1.8, and this one 1.2. Perfect. So let's go and try pinging. So it's my suggestion, whenever you're troubleshooting your network, start with the own interface. Like I'm gonna type the command IP config, so it's gonna show me the IP address. So I'm gonna first ping 192.168.1.9 just to verify if the network is working fine, and then I'm gonna ping the gateway. If that's working fine, so your connection between your computer to switch and switch to router, that's perfectly fine. If your computer internet is not working but you can ping the router, that means something is wrong with the router. If you cannot ping the router, that means something is wrong with your computer. So those are some troubleshooting skills. So if I can ping the router, that means I can ping all of these computers. So this is 7 was the IP address of the other one, and there was another one with the 6 IP address, or 5. What was that? Let's check that one. So it's 1.8. So let's try pinging this one, 1.8. Of course I can ping, and the last one was 1.2. So we can ping everything. That means our DHCP server is configured perfectly. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video.